Hi, this is Andy with Composet Products LLC and the Composet SLV resin system. Delamination on an RV wall usually shows up as a bubbled area. Highlighted here in red, you can see the surface has become deformed. This happens when water enters the wall. In typical cases, the plywood underneath the fiberglass begins to delaminate, and the plies in the plywood separate. In many cases, the plywood can be bonded back together. We've been producing delamination repair kits for nearly 10 years. They feature our proprietary Composet SLV epoxy RV wall rebonding system. We tested all available epoxies at the time and decided that we had to formulate our own, so Composet SLV was born. It can be injected, poured, rolled, squeegeed inside the delaminated wall, followed by a clamping process and a curing time. The results speak for themselves. Our technical support and Composet SLV proprietary resin is the answer. For more information, visit us at www.delamrepair.com or www.rvroofandwall.com.